let's consider the operations that we'll do with real numbers. Let's start with a definition. The absolute value written with those vertical bars is considered to be the distance from 0 on our number line. And we're not concerned about whether it goes to the left or to the right. So if we had the absolute value of -3, we're saying how far away is -3 from 0? It's 3 units. And how far away is 4 from 0? It's 4 units. No matter whether you go to the left or to the right, the distance is considered to be positive. All right? Let's take another definition. Another definition that's important for us to consider is what it means when we write this. When you see that, you would say opposite of x, which means we would be changing the sign. So if x equals -5, then negative x, or opposite of x, is the opposite of -5, which is +5. Okay? Now, when we combine these two ideas, we can get a more algebraic definition of absolute value. We don't have to rely on our number line definition. We can actually involve ourselves in an absolute value definition that uses algebra. And there are two conditions. The absolute value of x is considered to be whatever x is if x is larger than or equal to 0. But it's considered to be the opposite of x if x is less than 0. Notice the trichotomy property here. We have 3 conditions. X is smaller than 0, x is greater than 0, x is equal to 0. And we're told what to do in each one of those particular conditions. So again, if we want to know the absolute value of -5, we look and see what conditions we satisfy. The absolute value of -5 is, well, -5 means x is less than 0. If x is less than 0, then we're supposed to take the opposite of x. The opposite of -5 is +5. If we have the absolute value of 6, 6 is larger than 0, so we just take x. Well, x is just 6. So this is an algebraic definition that does the same thing for us, gives us the same results that the original definition we had for absolute value, which is the distance from 0, works. We're going to use absolute value to show how to do addition of integers next.